Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Crave account online. So if you also want to log in Crave account online, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now type in crave.ca/sign in, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Crave. You can see several options over here. If you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. You can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Crave. Here you'll have to enter your email address and password. First of all, enter your email address. Make sure you've entered the valid email address. Now enter your password. You can check your password by simply clicking on the eye icon that you can see right over here. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forgot password and after that you'll be able to reset it. After you've entered your email address and password, simply click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Or you can also sign in through TV provider and after that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Crave account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.